if you're experiencing a verification pending status on your Oportun account, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your email. Review your email inbox for any messages from Oportun. They may have sent you a request for additional information or documentation needed to complete the verification process. Step 2. Log into your account. Access your Oportun account by logging in through their website or app. Navigate to the verification section to see if there are any prompts or alerts regarding your status. Step 3. Submit required documents. If Oportun has requested specific documents, gather and submit them as soon as possible. Ensure that all documents are clear and legible to avoid further delays. Step 4. Contact customer support. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After submitting any required information or contacting support, wait for confirmation from Oportun. This may take a few days, so be patient and check your email regularly for updates. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending status on your Oportun account efficiently. Good luck!